Hi guys, we're out here in my backyard and I'm gonna show everyone my little homemade garden that I have here. First we have over here, let's see, what's over here? Over here we have our parsley, curled parsley. And over here, curled parsley. Over here we have some green onion. Green onion right here. That's probably not ready to pick yet, but I do believe the parsley is ready. And here's Max. Max wants to be in part of the video too, don't you, boy? Huh, Max? Huh, buddy? Huh? Okay, over here. What do I have over here? Let's see. Over here we have our, I believe, cilantro? No, we have basil. We have basil. And I guess cilantro is over here too. Yep, cilantro. Over here, let's see if I can get over here. Over here we have zucchini, and we have a couple that are prime ready to be picked. This one definitely, and this one definitely ready to be picked, and I think we are going to pick them. This is our very first vegetable from our garden. Zucchini. One here. I think we'll pick this one. Yes, definitely. Two nice zucchinis. Over here we have a couple of red beefsteak tomatoes. We have a couple growing. One right here, not ripe yet, and one right here. And that looks about it. We have a few small buds. I don't know if they're going to make it or not, but hey, this is my first garden, so I'm happy with what I got. And over here we have our hot stuff. We have our ghost peppers. Ghost pepper here. We got several of them growing. A couple of little ones, they're not ripe yet. And over here we have some bunch of Carolina Reapers. Two of the hottest peppers on the earth, and I can't wait to try them. Both of them. None of them are quite ready yet. They're still green. We gotta wait till they're a good red color. Alright, we do have a third zucchini growing, but that's definitely not ready yet. Alright guys, just thought we'd give you a little look at our self-made garden here. But we'll bring you updates as these peppers come ready. They're definitely not ready yet. Alright guys, thanks. Bye.